Welcome to AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam Practice Test. Our topic today is Practice Test number 1. Use the link in the description to download the app on the App Store for free practice tests. Number 1. Which of the following AWS offerings allows customers to find, buy, and immediately start using software solutions in their AWS environment? A. AWS OpsWorks. B. AWS Config. C. AWS SDK. D. AWS Marketplace. The correct answer is D. AWS Marketplace. Explanation. AWS Marketplace is an online software store that helps customers find, buy, and immediately start using the software and services that run on AWS. Number 2. Which of the given options is a part of the AWS's responsibility, with reference to the AWS Shared Responsibility model? A. Protecting the infrastructure that runs all of the services offered. B. Configuring third-party applications. C. Securing application access and data. D. Managing custom Amazon machine images, AMIs. The correct answer is A. Protecting the infrastructure that runs all of the services offered. Explanation. AWS responsibility, security of the cloud. AWS is responsible for protecting the infrastructure that runs all of the services offered in the AWS cloud. This infrastructure is composed of the hardware, software, networking, and facilities that run AWS cloud services. Security and compliance is a shared responsibility between AWS and the customer. This shared model can help relieve the customer's operational burden as AWS operates, manages and controls the components from the host operating system and virtualization layer down to the physical security of the facilities in which the service operates. Number 3. Which of the given components of AWS global infrastructure should Amazon CloudFront use to ensure low latency delivery? A. AWS regions. B. AWS availability zones. C. AWS edge locations. D. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC. The correct answer is C. AWS edge locations. Explanation. To deliver content to end users with lower latency, Amazon CloudFront uses a global network of 216 points of presence, 205 edge locations, and 11 regional edge caches in 84 cities across 42 countries. Amazon CloudFront edge locations are located in North America, Asia, Europe, Australia, South America, Middle East, Africa, and China. Number 4. Where can a customer locate information of the prohibited actions on AWS infrastructure? A. AWS Acceptable Use Policy. B. AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM. C. AWS Billing Console. D. AWS Trusted Advisor. The correct answer is A. AWS Acceptable Use Policy. Explanation. This acceptable use policy, describes prohibited uses of the web services offered by Amazon Web Services Incorporated and its affiliates, the services, and the website located at the AWS site. Number 5. You are using Amazon RDS. Which of the following features performs automatic failover when the primary database fails to respond? A. RDS Single AZ. B. RDS Multi AZ. C. RDS Write Replica. D. RDS Standby Replica. The correct answer is B. RDS Multi-AZ. Explanation. Amazon RDS Multi-AZ deployments provide enhanced availability and durability for database (DB) instances, making them a natural fit for production database workloads. When you provision a multi-AZ DB instance, Amazon RDS automatically creates a primary DB instance and synchronously replicates the data to a standby instance in a different availability zone, AZ. Each AZ runs on its own physically distinct independent infrastructure and is engineered to be highly reliable. The other options are not correct because RDS Single AZ, RDS Write Replica, and RDS Standby Replica are not Amazon RDS features. Number 6. Which of the following is true regarding Elastic IP addresses? A. EIPs are not free. B. You can have 3 EIPs free of charge for each EC2 instance you provision. C. You can have any number of EIPs free of charge. D. You can have 1 EIP free of charge. The correct answer is D. You can have 1 EIP free of charge. Explanation. An Elastic IP address doesn't incur charges as long as the following conditions are true. The Elastic IP address is associated with an EC2 instance. The instance associated with the Elastic IP address is running. The instance has only one Elastic IP address attached to it. You're charged by the hour for each Elastic IP address that doesn't meet these conditions. Number 7. AWS provides the ability to create backups of any Amazon EC2 volume into what is known as a VRN. A. Mirror. B. Instance backup. C. Snapshot. D. Image. The correct answer is C. Snapshot. Explanation. AWS allows you to make backups of the data stored in your EBS volumes through snapshots, which can be used later to create new EBS volumes. Number 8. What is the maximum amount of data that can be stored in S3? A. 1 petabyte. B. 1 terabyte. C. 5 terabytes. D. Virtually unlimited storage. The correct answer is D. Virtually unlimited storage. Explanation. Amazon's Simple Storage Service, S3, provides a simple web service interface that you can use to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. Number 9. Which of the following strategies help analyze costs in AWS? A. Using the AWS CloudFormation to automate the deployment of resources. B. Using tags to group resources. C. Configuring Amazon Inspector to automatically analyze costs and email reports. D. Deploying resources of the same type in different regions. The correct answer is B. Using tags to group resources. Explanation. Tags are key value pairs that allow you to organize your AWS resources into groups. Visualize information about tagged resources in one place, in conjunction with resource groups. View billing information using Cost Explorer and the AWS Cost and Usage Report. Send notifications about spending limits using AWS budgets. Number 10. Which of the following is not a supported database engine in the AWS RDS service? A. MySQL. B. MariaDB. C. DB2. D. Aurora. The correct answer is C. DB2. Explanation. Amazon RDS is available on several database instance types, optimized for memory, performance or input-output, and provides you with 6 familiar database engines to choose from, including Amazon Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.